Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be showing you how I just bought in and just changed and refreshed my entryway for spring and Easter. And guys, I will be starting with just the front door, but I just want to show you sort of what it looked like before. I did a DIY with chinoiserie eggs, so that was a picture there, a picture opportunity for me. I also had a lot of greenery still left over in this super large vase from Anthropologie, so I'm going to remove all of that winter greenery, pull out those dark black lanterns there, and I started with this really pretty wreath. I just wanted a little bit or a little nod to Easter. I think this is perfect for that, and that's how I have when you're coming in the front door. And then I added in this Easter sign. I'm not too much into signage, but this one I got for a steal. I think it's cute. It's not overdone. I like that wood look behind it with just a neutral tone and then that little bit of pastel colors on the bottom. And I think it's perfect for that coat room right there, the coat closet rather, and then at the bottom of the stairs for the entryway. Also, I have this bench. This settee is on the other side, like in between my entryway and my dining room. So I wanted to dress it up. As you can see, I have these beautiful beaded pillows, and the other side is that gorgeous pink velvet. And I'm going to be going with that color scheme for my entryway and bringing in that color throughout to make it a little bit more cohesive and inviting and fresh. So guys, for my greenery, I really wanted to go with some florals that had that pretty pastel pink that just makes me feel like spring. And I put some greenery in there with that. I didn't want to be like overwhelmed with it. I wanted to look nice and fresh. I did remove the Anthropologie vase and bought in this Pottery Barn vase. I think it looks a little bit better. It's not as large, it's not as heavy, and it just gives it a lighter feel to the entryway for spring. And I absolutely love the way it looks. I like the texture of this vase also. And what I'm going to do is put in some Easter items, but I can easily remove them later, like this little moss bunny or this little Easter wreath that it's so cute. It has a clear glass vase with just a luminar candle in it, bringing in some negative space and lightening that area up. And on the other side, I have another bunny cloche, which I had in a previous tablescape video. Guys, these are so cute. And I just put a little gold bunny in it, a little bit of moss, and it just really lightens this area and makes it not feel so heavy. On the other side of this vignette, I just added in some really pretty pastel spring and summer looking florals in pastel and creams, just making that color and repeating that same color over and over again. And then I have this little egg DIY that I did that is so stinking cute. But the great thing is I can pull some of these eggs out and just add in a little bit more later on after Easter, but I'm all set for spring basically with this color. So for under my console table, guys, you know I keep a basket down there that's perfect for bringing in for the hubby to put packages down there, and I'll get to them when I get to them. But I wanted to pull out those darker lanterns, and I went with this one large lantern that I just added in a little bit of florals. It's bright, it's patinaed, it's pretty, and it's very much light and not that heavy feel, being that I do have dark furniture and my mirror has a black trim to it. So this is just lightening up the area. And in the basket, I did put in a really pretty pastel pink throw that really brings this whole look together because it's the same colors that I use for the pillows and the florals in this entire entryway. So I hope that you like the way this turned out. I'm loving the colors and how this just pops with this fresh feel to it, and it's not feeling heavy, it's light, and it's just bringing in all of those wonderful spring feels. So if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and thank you all for watching.